Sea level rise, a topic that has captured significant attention in climate science and environmental studies since the late 19th century, emerged as a pressing concern following the Industrial Revolution. Initially recognized through the gradual observation of coastal erosion and changes to sea-based ecosystems, such as mangrove forests and coral reefs, it was during the latter half of the 20th century that extensive scientific research began elucidating its causes, key turning points, and far-reaching consequences on both natural environments and human society. The primary cause for rising sea levels is attributed to global warming and climate change, predominantly resulting from increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere. Between 1850 and the present, surface temperatures have risen by approximately 2 degrees C, a phenomenon that has accelerated ice melt rates in polar regions such as Antarctica and Greenland, adding fresh water into oceans where it expands and contributes to rising sea levels. According to data compiled by NASA and the National Snow and Ice Data Center, NCDC, average global sea level rise between 1901 and 2018 was around 15 centimeters, with a more rapid rate of increase observed in recent decades due largely to ice sheet instability. While these changes have posed significant challenges for coastal communities globally, threatening infrastructure such as airports, ports, and roadways, exacerbated storm surge events and flooding, impacted agricultural production by submerging farmlands, and led to loss of natural habitats, the long-term effects include increased biodiversity in low-lying areas where water would be more temperate or suitable for different. Conversely, economic impacts have been substantial, with estimates indicating that direct costs associated with sea level rise could surpass $10 trillion by 2050, largely through the need to elevate coastal buildings and infrastructure, modify transportation routes, and implement flood defense systems. Looking forward, it is expected that if global emissions are not significantly curtailed in coming decades, ongoing trends of warming may lead to accelerated ice sheet melting and rising sea levels exceeding 1 meter by 2100. However, proactive measures, including transitioning towards sustainable energy sources like solar or wind power, promoting reforestation efforts to enhance carbon sequestration, and developing more resilient infrastructure could mitigate projected impacts significantly, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations while also maintaining economic stability and prosperity.